Most people get this wrong when they try to cash out reward apps. They grind for days without understanding how the points system actually converts into real gift cards. And that's exactly where confusion starts. In this video, you'll learn how many points you actually need on Mistplay to get a $25 Amazon gift card in 2026, how the conversion system works, and how to reach it faster without wasting time. And stay until the end, because I'll show you a simple trick that helps you reach your first cash out much faster than most beginners. Let's get straight into it. First, here's the truth no one tells you. Mistplay does not use a fixed universal conversion rate. The app uses units or points, and the number needed for a $25 Amazon gift card can change based on your country, available rewards, and current promotions. But here's a realistic range you can expect in 2026. Most users will need somewhere between a few thousand to over 10,000 units to reach a $25 Amazon gift card. That range might feel wide, but there's a reason for it. Now here's where it gets interesting. The value of your points depends on how efficiently you earn them. Some games give higher unit rewards per minute of play, while others give very slow progress even if you play for hours. For example, imagine Alex is playing a high-reward game that gives strong progression bonuses. He might reach his cash-out target in a few days. But John is playing a low-reward game just for fun, and he might take weeks to reach the same $25 reward. But here's the problem most users face. They don't pay attention to game selection. They just open any game and start playing. That's the fastest way to slow down your earnings without realizing it. Now here's the key insight. Mistplay rewards active progression, not just time spent. That means leveling up in specific games matters more than simply staying online. So if your goal is a $25 Amazon gift card, your focus should be on 3 things. Picking high-reward games, completing in-game milestones quickly, and switching games when rewards slow down. In a minute, here's the simplest way to think about it. If you are efficient and strategic, you can reach your first $25 cash out much faster than average users. If you play casually without strategy, it will take significantly longer even if you spend the same amount of time. So to summarize clearly, a $25 Amazon gift card on Mistplay typically requires thousands of units, and the exact number changes based on region and gameplay efficiency. The biggest takeaway is this. Mistplay is not just about playing more. It's about playing smarter. If this helped you understand the system clearly, make sure to like the video, comment your experience with Mistplay, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.